45 is 1/3 of what number? So isulat natin, ang 45 daw is, so equals 1/3 ng anong number. So i-times natin ang 1/3 sa number para makuha natin ang 45. So instead of magsulat ka pa ng equation, so take note, ang 45 nakuha natin by multiplying 1/3 at saka number, yung number. So immediately perform the inverse operation ng multiplication, which is division. So i-divide mo agad ang 45 divided by 1/3 para makuha mo itong number. So again, kapag nag-multiply ka, tapos ang missing ay ito, so i-divide mo ang ito at saka ito. So 45 divided by 1/3, take note also na kapag nag-divide ka ng whole number at saka fraction, tapos yung, di ba, yung proper way is 45, kapag nag-divide tayo, we proceed to multiplication, tapos kinukuha natin ang reciprocal ng fraction. So ang reciprocal ng fraction na 1/3 ay 3/1 or 3. Ayan, or hindi na natin kailangan isulat 3. So immediately multiply, 45 times 3, 135. So yan na kaagad ang tamang sagot. So take note, again, remember, kapag nag-divide ka ng whole number at saka fraction na 1 ang numerator, so automatic multiply the whole number to the denominator, 45 times 3. Ganyan na kaagad. So if we follow the equation, that is 45 equals 1/3 times n or 1/3 n. So to solve this, so instead na mag-divide tayo by 1/3, so multiply natin both sides by the reciprocal of this, kasi yun yung ginawa natin kanina nung nag-divide tayo. So multiply 3, ayan. So cancel na to, that is, dahil that will become 3/3n, and for 3 times 45, 135.